Yes, to start, let me say that those are my lips. Hello, and welcome to Faces of TigerBelle, a video introduction. I am TigerBelle Watkins. A motivational speaker, wellness coach, pharmacy technician, travel coach, tour guide. I'm also a mother, a wife, friend, and to some, a very pretty and loved pain in the butt. Over the course of many self-produced videos, I will attempt to show all who will listen how to navigate through this jungle we call life successfully. Living our best life will include tragedies. In a couple of these pictures, I may look tired. In this one, I'm actually sitting next to my daughter's near deathbed in the hospital, and I'm so tired. But even though that really sucked, I made it through. Yes, low income, little brown girl from a divorced single parent home. Physical abuse. Yep, sexual abuse. Low self-esteem at one time. I was a teen mother. And did I mention that I have no brothers or sisters? Yes. I am not just healthy. My children love me. I am alive. I am loving, laughing, traveling. Here I'm at the majestic natural wonders, the Niagara Falls in Canada. So, what happened? Travel is what happened. Whether it is Greece or Botswana, Africa, China, Canada, or the UK. But let's look at Greece. I travel and overlooking the panoramic views from the Acropolis. I step directly into history. Around the corner is the most delicious food to touch my lips. And the hotels, Stratos, Basilicos, the San Marco, and the Costa Grande are exactly what we will need at the end of these very busy days on this Greek tour of mine. Come with me. Okay. Greek pizza isn't your liking. What about Portugal? The Galapagos? South Africa? Well, I digress. If I am not dying, then I am going to live. No matter what tragedy comes my way, and it's only natural that I want to share it with all who will listen. Ciao for now. This is Faces of TigerBelle, and I am TigerBelle Watkins.
Shut up and sit down.